What's up guys, welcome back to Car Studio, and in today's video we are going to take the front suspension apart on the Isuzu mini truck build. I did get some new parts delivered, basically the rest of what we need to get this thing on the ground, minus a few small odds and ends. Here we have the front bag brackets. So this round piece right here welds to the lower control arm, and then this tombstone looking piece welds to the frame rail, and then it's got little triangle gussets in here as well. And then these are for my rear bags. These weld onto the frame rail, and these weld to the foiling bars. Got some shock brackets here. Got some airlift airbags, running 2500s in the front and 2600s in the rear. All right, there wasn't a lot of videos on the disassembly of a suspension setup like this, but basically all these Japanese trucks are the same that have torsion bar suspension. So I figured I could do a video highlighting the teardown of the front suspension and give you guys some good visuals of exactly how it works. And if you have ideas of bagging your truck, then at least you'll know how to take the torsion bars out and where everything's going to sit and how it looks under there. So I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. We're just going to get to work, and unfortunately I am going to have to do a second part to bagging the front of this truck. I wanted to do it in one video, but there was actually just it takes a lot of time. I haven't done this in like 10 years, and I forgot how much work it is. And I will say this truck is not that rusty underneath. Besides the frame rail, there's like no rusty bolts, no broken bolts, and it came apart very, very easily. I was very impressed, and really nothing fought me. The torsion bars, both of them came out super easy. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling and we will get straight to it. Alright, so for those that are curious, you saw me remove the torsion bars just now, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how they work. Very simple design. Like I said, all Japanese trucks have them, but basically this rod, this torsion bar, runs parallel to your frame rail, and those splines slide into your control arm, your lower control arm on this truck, but I think Toyotas are on the upper control arm, but same concept. And then this goes to a cross member on the frame rail towards the back, which you saw me removing this bolt. So when you tighten that bolt or loosen it, you can raise or lower the suspension between about 1.5 to 2 inches, depending on the truck. And when you hear someone say they're cranking their torsion bars to lower or raise their truck, that's what they're talking about. You jack the truck up, you get underneath of it, and you turn that bolt until you get it where you want it, and then you set the truck back down, and it's that simple. And these torsion bars are found in a number of things, in truck tailgates and Volkswagen Beetle, like old Beetle front suspensions. And they look like a little bit different, but a torsion bar is just a metal bar that twists. That's it. All right guys, that's going to do it for this video. We have got the front suspension all taken apart, and the next video we are going to cut out the brackets we no longer need in this front suspension. It's going to get in our way of welding brackets on. Once we have this frame sitting on the ground, we can pull the cab off and start building our actual frame. But we got to get this cross member on the ground first. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that like button. There's a lot of cool, informative stuff with this build to come. So if you are new to mini trucks or you're old to mini trucks and are just looking for something to watch, like and subscribe.